Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all the things beauty. So we are together again to unbox the Ipsy October 2020 Glam Bag Ultimate. Was it extra? I never remember. I think it's ultimate. Anyways, I'll put it somewhere. Yeah, so let's go ahead and dive in and see what goodies we've received for the month of October. If you guys are excited to see what's in this month's box, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. And let's go ahead and get right into the video. So the first thing I see in here is the card, and it says "You are magic, your full moon beauty guide." I guess this month's theme is magic, very mystical. And the first thing I'm gonna grab out of here is a brush from Complex Culture. And let's see, I think I got one of their brushes before, a thicker one, a thick like, yeah, I got their foundation brush. So this one is the Precision Concealer Brush. It is very dense and silver, well, gray bottom and a gold top thing here, and it says Complex Culture. Cool. Feels very soft, dense but soft. And the next thing I have here is from Insanely Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner. Sorry, I'm like very blind. Ooh, okay, so we have a pen liner in black. Ooh, that is really, really black. Ooh, I like that. Oh, cool. What's the name of the shade? It's called Jet. It's called Jet Black. And it is from Scone Cosmetics? Scone Beauty? Scone Cosmetics? It just says Scone, I think. S-K-O-N-E. Scone. And the next thing I have in here is from My Film Star Eyelash Curlers. Cool! I was actually thinking today I need a new eyelash curler, or at least a replacement curlers. Ooh! So this is your basic eyelash curler. I mean, but it's from My. Perfect. I literally was just saying I need a new eyelash curler or replacement pad, so that came just in time. And the next thing here is from Catherine Melandrino. It is a perfume. Not a big fan when I get these because it's like, bro, just send me makeup, please. But this is, it looks like a little spray. And let's put this in here. Oh, this actually smells good. It smells, I can't explain it, but it smells good. So that actually wasn't bad. And from Naked Cosmetics, we have the 4-piece pigment collection. Oh, interesting. Let's see what this is all about. Oh, cool. Are these like eyeshadows? Cosmetics are the purest. It doesn't say, but I think these are like the what is this? Pigment, blushing bronze, and of course my nails are gonna make this impossible to open. It just says Rainforest Pigment. I wish I knew what that meant, but I'm pretty sure this is kind of like a contour highlight, a bundle thing, because it does say pigment collection. Or are they just, I'm very confused. They might just be loose eyeshadows. I'm sorry, I'm like having a brain aneurysm right now. I don't know. Let's just say they're loose eyeshadows because I honestly don't know. And the next thing here is from Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. Ooh, guess this tightens up your pores. I like Glow Recipe. They have very good things. Very good skincare. Oh my god, I love this freaking bottle. First of all, it's all pink. It's all me, you know that. And it has like a weird shape. Like it has like weird, it's just weirdly shaped. So I automatically like it. So pretty. Let's see if it smells. No. Oh, cool. Watermelon Glow Pore Tight Toner. Interesting. And the next thing here is from Dr. Brandt, the Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. I had this before from one of the boxes, and I really liked it. I really like this exfoliator, so awesome. And we got a couple of sheet masks to add to my drawer of sheet masks. These are from Sweet Chef. We have the beet vitamin A, kale and vitamin B, and ginger and vitamin C. These are going to be a nice gift because I honestly have so many freaking sheet masks. I probably should start using them. Yeah. And the next thing here is from something very funky. I like it. This is Barefoot Venus hand cream. Awesome. Doesn't smell like anything, well that's good, but again, skincare, it's like, alright, whatever, send me more makeup. And this is from Air Repair Super Hydrating Eye Cream. Cool. Again, more skincare. Yeah, so, and this is the bag for this month. This is actually a really cool bag. It's black and gold, and it's very like mist. Oh look, it says your magic back here. This is actually really cute. I like this. And the final item, this was actually my choice item. I picked it. They send you like an email in advance, and you know, you can pick the item that you want in your box. And I picked the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. I received one of her palettes, and I think it was Topaz or something. Love those freaking shades. They are so good. And when I saw these colors, I was like, fuck yeah, send that my way. Look at this. Look at these tones. So emerald is actually the birthstone of May, my month. So I was like, yeah, I need to have that. So let's go ahead and swatch some of these. I'm gonna swatch the middle one. Look at that. Holy moly. I'm gonna do this one up here. So this one's a little like, came out like weird, but still buildable. Let's do this one here. These tones are cool. This was really pretty. Oh my geez Louise. Oh, and let's do this matte one. Curious to see how this comes out. Sorry, my nails, I just don't want them digging into the shadows, but beautiful, beautiful freaking shades. Oh, I'm so happy I picked this to add to my little Huda Beauty collection. Beautiful shades, so freaking excited. I mean, look, that like that's like pigmented. This one not so much, and this one not so much, but these three are like awesome. Holy crap, that's good. So with that being said, oh, there's one more item in here, sorry. Oh, from Huda Beauty. From Huda Beauty, I have lip contour in Trophy Wife. This is their a lip pencil. Cool. Let's go ahead and swatch this here. Oh, I like it. Went on super smooth. Ooh, pretty, 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 pretty. I like that very much so. Cool. Thank you so much to Ipsy for all the good stuff. I just wish there was less skincare in there, which I actually put in my little bio or whatever thing. So I don't know why I keep cutting it, but it is whatever. It is what it is. So we are at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on social media at MakeupPixie. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!